Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm so sorry, I didn't know my camera shut off. I apologize. Yikes. Okay, we are on card number 3 in the Anna Griffin card set that I bought. They're sympathy cards and I'm shushing them up a little bit. And I got these at Tuesday morning. And most of these embellishments came from Tuesday morning too, except for a few odd things like this particular crochet. So I'm just going to put a big old glob there, and that was a huge glob. I would normally not put that much, but I wanted it to catch that as well. It kind of looks like they're like pink leaves. I know. I love that. Oh my goodness, isn't that sweet? I don't know if it picks up well on camera, but that is really sweet. So in case it turned off, this was our second card. And we just added some sari silk and some flowers and a doily to what was already there. And on this one, whoops, we added hearts and a button and some real pretty thread and also a doily. So we are now on our last card. I'm going to set this one to dry. And we are in the home stretch, my sweet friends. And I have got glue everywhere. Okay, so these are too pretty a card to go with the plainies. Ooh, I think that one has a... Is that the idea that those went together? I kind of like that, to be honest, because that's kind of yellow on the... No, you know what? I think I'm going to go this way. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I'm not going to do that, and I am going to do flowers. So this one is going to be a little bit simpler. I'm not going to put hearts on this one. And these hearts are just the Tim Holtz mirrored hearts that I picked up at, Tuesday morning. I'm trying to see, do I want to do another one with this? I love this. So pretty. If I came this way with it. Oh, goodness gracious. Yep. I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, let me get my pretty card, my pretty ephemera out of the way. And I wish there were a way to kind of, let me see here. Let me see if I can't neaten this up just a wee bit. I think I can. Okay. So I think I'm going to go here to here. Yes. And I think my husband's coming in. So anyways, let me finish this up really quick. Poor guy, he's knocking at the front door. I'm trying to motion to him to come around. Hold on, let me go let him in. Hold on. Sorry guys, I'm going to stop one for you again. Sorry, I'm finishing up the video. Sorry. Sorry, honey. Okay. Alright. I'm back. Let me finish up this card. And yes. Okay. Let me get that going. And I'm just using my Fabri-Tac, and I'm going to do it really good on the ends. So it'll hold it down. Put that beautiful crocheted lace there. Can you get through? Okay. Here we go. Alright, so there's that. Okay, working on that. I'm going to put that pretty button. Well, let me put the button to the side till I get my ephemera on. And on this ephemera too, it comes with the pretty satin ribbon. So, yes. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue across here. And then I'm going to put my pop dots on the other sides, like I did before. So, it'll be really pretty. I'll pop it up. And, yeah. Hi, honey. So, here we go. We are just about finished, guys. Thank you for letting me kind of step to go get that door. Alrighty, so there's that. I've made quite a mess of this table, but that's okay. Alrighty, let me get this done. Almost. Whoops. Alrighty. Okay, I've got that done. Okay, and here we go. So I'm going to pop that up, put that there. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I'll trim that a little bit more. I should have just done that to the edge and then trimmed it. But you live, you learn. Okay, put a little bit more glue there. I'm going to put a little bit more glue here too, because I want to kind of make it not look shriveled. Okay, so there's that. I've done that. And I've got my button ready. So let me get the shooting button. There we go. Got glue everywhere, but that's okay. It's just on me. And I've got that there. Hold on, let me grab my wipe and get that off my hands. Okay. Got that everywhere. Let me get that out of the way. And then let's see, let me get a couple of flowers. I think I'm going to go with these. These just have more of a cream hue to them, and I really like how they look. And ooh, I do like that this time. I think I'm going to go with this one. And I think, do I want to do a heart? Tiny heart? Let's see here. Ooh, I kind of like that, but you know what? I think I'm just going to go floral. That's perfect. Now, oops, put that baby back. I've used my flowers. Okay, now, whoops. Let's see here. Let me get these down. There's one. And here is, I want it up there. Oh, I do. I want it up there. I like that. Pretty. Okay, we have done 4 cards in a very short amount of time. So, hold on one second. Let me clean up all my mess so we can see everything. Okay. Okay, and we have pre-done. Now, you guys have known me in the past to use washi, anything I can to shush these up, but this time I wanted to use different things, and it comes with their own, sorry, I have got glue all over me. Okay, their own gorgeous, let me trim this edge off here, their own gorgeous, beautiful, God, I love that, isn't that pretty? So simple. Okay, so here's that one. Oh, wouldn't you love? I mean, not the sympathy part, no, but wouldn't that encourage you? There's 2. I love how the little leaves are the crochet. Here is 3. This one is the sari silk. And I know that's hanging down, and I might, you know what, I'm just going to trim that up a little bit, because I don't like that hanging down. See? You can do this however you want. These are your cards. You get to, sorry, Anna Griffin, that offends you. So there's that one. Let me see if I can get this one in. And then we have this one. More of that gorgeous envelope on all of these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you guys are getting these kits, because I know many of you talk to me about them, send me pictures of what you're doing. I would love to see what you're doing. This just gives you some ideas to kind of shush it up a little. That is very inexpensive. So, all right. I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. Save all these. You can reuse those if you didn't use them all. And even these bits and pieces. You saw what I did with part of it. I will save all of it. So, anyways, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Thank you guys for stopping by. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.